In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The Adventure by Angels and Airwaves off of their album, We Don't Need to Whisper. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Angels and Airwaves was your favorite alt rock band of the 2000s. And let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. The intro part's gonna have a lot of background atmosphere noise going on. And at some point you'll hear the guitar kicking with this. So that part's just 8th notes, and we come in with this little pickup part, 9th fret, 8th fret on the 3rd string. And then the downbeat of 1 here is on the 9th fret of the 4th string. Okay, so we'll hit 9th fret, 4th string, open, 5th string, which is that capo on the 2nd fret. Then we hit 11th fret, 3rd string, so we have back to 9th fret, 4th string, 8th fret, twice, and then 9, 8 on the 3rd. So it sounds like this. Just keeps repeating that riff. And we're kind of palm muting with the right hand every note except that open 5th string. And obviously there's a lot of effects on Tom's guitar here, especially a delay and sort of a chorus flange kind of effect. So if we turn those effects on and play the part up to speed, it'll sound like this. Now the rhythm guitar will actually start the song and it'll play this part underneath those atmospheric effects. Okay, so what we're doing there, we're on the 9th fret of the 4th string. Then we hit the open 5th, then 11th fret of the 3rd, and then back to open 5th. Now the only thing that moves here is the index finger goes down to the 8th fret of the 4th string, and we repeat the pattern. And we go all the way down here. This is a reach, but we go all the way down to the 6th fret now, 4th string. Everything else stays the same. Repeat the pattern. Back up to 8th fret. And then it starts over from the top. And then coming out of the intro, we kick right into the main riff of the song. So the lead part this main riff sounds like this. So it'll just repeat that. So what we're doing here, 11th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret. And I want you to think about the pattern here being 3, 3, 2. So what that means is you're going to play 3 notes on the 11th fret, 3 notes on the 9th fret, and then 2 on the 8th. So. Okay, and then we're going to play 9th fret, 8th fret, 9th fret of the 4th in the same 3, 3, 2 pattern. So 3 hits on the 9th fret of the 3rd, 3 hits on the 8th fret of the 3rd, 2 hits on the 9th fret of the 4th. So far we have this. Okay, and then we'll repeat that. So we'll have 9th fret, 3rd, 8th fret, 3rd, 9th fret, 4th again. And then we'll go over to the 5th string and play 9, 7, 6. Same 3, 3, 2 pattern. So we have this all together. And then that repeats. Now at this point the pattern changes. We'll go back to that 11th fret, 3rd string. What we'll do now is 11, 9 on the 4th. So we have 11 on the 3rd, 9 on the 4th. 2 hits on 9 on the 4th. Play that twice. Then we go 11, 9 of the 2nd. So I lay my middle finger flat to hit 9 of the 2nd. And then 9 of the 3rd, and then 9 of the 4th. So it's starting from the top. Okay, and then we repeat 9 of the 3rd, 2 hits 9 of the 4th, and then 8th fret of the 3rd, 9 of the 4th. So all together. And repeat. And then we repeat the first part of that main riff again. So we do. And then at this point, we'll kick into the verse. Before we look at the verse, let's go through that main riff in full speed with the effects on. It'll sound like this. While the main guitar is playing that, the rhythm guitar is playing this part during the main riff. So the rhythm guitar is just going to be playing these underlying chords. It's just power chords. So we have 4th fret. Okay, I'm going to refer to the frets as if the capo isn't here. So it's actually the 4th fret of the guitar. It's the 2nd fret from the capo, but it's the 4th fret of the guitar. Then up to 7th fret, 5th string. Then to 7th fret, 6th string. Okay, and then we're playing this open, what would be an open E power chord because of the capo being there. Okay, so it's an open 6th string, and then it's actually 4th fret, 5th, and 4th string. Okay, and the right hand rhythm is just leading into the measure, it's so it just hits on the 1, and then hits on the 1, hits on the 1, and on the 1. It just rings out through the measure. Okay, this is the 3rd time through. So you hear the difference there. Instead of going down to this E, we're playing 6th fret, 6th string, 9th fret, 5th string. And then it repeats. And at this point, we're finally into the verse. The rhythm guitar is just going to keep playing the exact same part. So same chords. And while the rhythm is playing that, the lead guitar is playing this part. So all of his effects will still be on here, but I'll play this dry so you can hear what it sounds like. So we're over here at the 4th fret. 2nd and 3rd strings. We'll start on the 3rd string. Open 8th notes. Then we move to 2nd string. So now we're palm muting. 2nd string, 3rd string, 3rd string. Then we move to 5th fret, 2nd string. Back to 3rd string, 4th fret, twice. And then 2nd string, 4th fret. And then 3rd string twice again. So it's and then we let it ring out. So that little pattern will end with us going up to the 6th fret of the 3rd string, letting that ring out and hitting 8th notes. And then it repeats. So let's turn the effects on and hear what that sounds like. At this point, we enter a slow chorus, and this chorus part goes back to that rhythm intro guitar riff. Now from here, we'll repeat every section of the song. So we'll repeat the main riff, we'll repeat another verse, and another slow chorus part, and then we enter a breakdown section, which is mostly atmospheric effects again, but there is this guitar part that's going to sound like this. Okay, so that's just octave swiping. 6th fret and 6th string and 4th string up here on the 14th fret of the 6th, including the 16th fret of the 4th. Right hand rhythm. Okay, we play 1 quarter note and then 8th notes. Down to 12th fret, down to 11th fret, down to 9th fret. So the guitar will keep playing that part, then that bass line, just so we know where we're at here, that bass line comes in with. And Coming out of that section, we enter the outro. Now in the outro, we still have a rhythm guitar playing. The rhythm guitar is going to start here on the 7th fret of the 6th string. It'll play the same right hand pattern it's been playing. So those are the chords. 7th fret power chord, then 6th fret of the 6th string, 9th fret of the 5th, down to 4th fret power chord, back up to that chord, and repeat. And the lead guitar is playing this part. Now we're up here on the 1st string, and it's going to sound like this. So if we break that part down, we're on 14th fret of the 1st string, then we play 11 of the 3rd, and then 12 of the 2nd. Now we just alternate 3rd and 2nd strings. Then we play 14th fret of the 2nd string twice, and then repeat the pattern. Now if we turn the effects on, it'll sound like this. And then to exit the song, we kick back into the intro riff. Is Tom DeLonge the best pop-punk frontman ever? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.